Oh, okay, hi. Hi, yes, hello. Yes. Oh yeah. Let's go. Static electricity. Okay. So about that new surprise. Got a new computer. I just hit it. Okay, let's open it. By turning on a real light first. Okay. How do I open this? Where's my butterfly cardboard? Butterfly knife. I don't even think that's sharp enough to open it. Whatever. We'll just use this thing. Alright. Don't worry, I'm getting there. Oh, I just cut the computer. That's cool. Alright, opening. Let's see. Go right there. Alright. Yes. Oh, wow. I think I opened this up the wrong way. Yep, I definitely opened it up the wrong way. Oops. Yeah, there we go. How do I get this stuff off? Power cord. They gave me a mouse. Okay. Oh wait, what else is it? Alright, that's just instructions on how to use a mouse. Oh, is this a keyboard? Yeah, this is not happening. Like my hat? Okay, so I'm actually gonna switch camera angles. This thing is beautiful. Yeah, it's the Lenovo Legion T730. It is amazing. We have a RTX 2070 and a i7 9700. Let's open this up real quick. Alright, so I have just opened it up here, and I do have my flash on, because, you know, why not? So, right here we have the RTX 2070. Right there's the CPU. It's covered by the fan. I don't feel like actually taking it apart right now because I'm new to computers and I don't want to break it by accident. 500 watt power supply, and there's the RAM. I'm pretty sure that's the RAM, right? Is that the RAM? Looks like the RAM. Alright, so that's the machine. I'm going to put this case back on, which I'm pretty sure I thought I broke. Yeah, I'm going to set it up. Alright, so I'm going to take this old thing out and put in this. So I might actually record me doing that with time lapse or some, I don't know. Alright, so it is done. I'm now going to install Minecraft and OBS, and yeah, I'll be right back. And also, I used to only be able to play in 120 hertz, and now I'm in 144. This is so much more smoother, in my opinion. So, yay. So I'm going to install Google, Minecraft, OBS. I'll be back. Okay, so I know I said that I was going to start playing Minecraft and show gameplay of that. But when I looked at the OBS recordings, they were pretty corrupted, and it's been like in an hour or two after I recorded that, and I just don't feel like you're recording it and faking a reaction, so I'm just going to be uploading this. I will tell you what I did get in Minecraft. So from what I remember, without Optifine, default texture pack, vanilla 1.8.9, in a new world I just created with the render distance set at 12 default settings. Besides the GUI, I set that to normal. I was getting around like 300 to 500, and when I installed Optifine, I was getting like 600 to 1,000. Hypixel without Optifine, Skywars Lobby was 2 to 300. Not 2 FPS, like 200 to 300. In a game, it was like 500 to 1,000. Duels Lobby, it was with Optifine in the Skywars Lobby, it was 300 to 500. And in game, I forgot what it was in game with Optifine. In the Duels Lobby with Vanilla, it was like 150 to 350. In a game, it was like 400 to 700, occasionally getting 900. With Optifine in lobby, it was like 600 and 500. In a game or duels game, it was like 800 to 1,000. So yeah, I'm gonna try to fix the OBS settings. I'm gonna go to a YouTuber's video. Wow, I have a lot of blue in my room. Once I clean my room, because it's a mess right now, I have undone laundry over there, which I should probably get done. But yeah, everything from my old setup is right there. That's my computer and my Can I please zoom? Let me zoom, please. Oh, I can't zoom in with the back camera. I'm stupid. Yeah, that's like a Switch, an Xbox, and a computer. Yeah, that I need to clean my room. But then I'll do a room tour. I'm currently installing Fortnite. I want to start doing that, but you know, I don't think viewers will like that. But it's my channel. I feel like I should be able to upload what I want. I'm not like gonna be quitting Minecraft to play Fortnite, but like once every 3 videos, not even that. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, drop a like and of course subscribe. I'm very glad I got this computer. Expect a Minecraft 1080p, 240 FPS, rendered in 60 FPS, motion blur, without some plugin that will take 5 hours to render. Goodbye.